In this episode of Sailing Doodles, we finally make it to land after a 1,500-mile sail, and we say goodbye to our crew, Sydney and David. This season of Sailing Doodles features Bobby and Taylor as we sail around the Caribbean in our 1989 CT56. Thank you so much to our patrons for making this channel possible. Over the past 11 days, we sailed 1,500 miles all the way from the Caribbean through the Bahamas back to the East Coast. It was a good time with good sailing and a good crew. We spent all night dodging squalls, and now we're motor sailing in, about 10 miles to go. How'd you do, guys?
Woo! We're ready for land. Yeah, super ready for land.
They've already had their little dance party this morning.
Yeah, our hype. It's our countdown to land.
Yeah. Boat is a bit of a disaster. It's like crap everywhere.
Oh,
It needs
yeah.
to be cleaned really bad, but
It's a crap show.
It's been pretty rolly the last day, so. Anyway, getting close. There's a lot of other boats heading in at the same time.
Yeah, so are we going to be able to get a slip in the marina?
We're trying to get service. Service. Do the service.
It's a common thing here. As soon as you get within striking distance of land, everybody's pulling out their phone doing this, trying to catch up on emails and everything. I mean, we have been at sea for a while.
Don't act like you weren't just on your phone. For real. You're on your phone.
I was booking marina slips.
I
don't want to dress up for you and be a toy.
We were making landfall at Beaufort, North Carolina.
No, I'm not that girl. You got me just as long as I'm bored. Put your feelings aside.
It's not quite the beautiful clear water of the Virgin Islands, but it's nice to see.
Shit brown. Pull yourself out in the night. Let's fly high. Let's fly high. Break out of your shell. Meet me halfway.
We made it! Woo!
Yay!
We got laundry hanging up everywhere, sorry about all that. But now time for a little celebration.
Celebration.
Pop it!
Pop it, lock
Miles.
it, drop it.
Yeah.
No
Don't
black
hit
eyes.
me in the eye. Yeah, no black eyes, Bobby. You made it safely, and
Yeah.
then you kill us with the cork.
Woo! Alright.
Landfall.
Gross.
We made it on a pretty good sail, pretty good. There were some rough days, but not bad.
The last night was the worst.
Yeah, the last night was the rolliest.
To El Capitan.
Thank you to a good crew, good sailing, and hey, nobody got hurt. It's a good day.
Good day.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Cheers to you guys too. All right, now let's go to one of those half-capacity bars or something.
Let's do it.
After a little bit of a nap, I don't know, I took a nap.
I didn't really.
Oh, I needed one. But we are gonna go out to our first restaurant in like, what?
Months.
2.5 months.
Yeah.
So they've got to open up to 50% capacity here, so we'll go do that.
After being in the islands for so long, like he went home for a little bit and went back to the States, but I haven't been off the boat really at all this whole time. So to be back here in the States feels very surreal. Like all the perfect houses and the perfect grass and all the different plants and trees. I'm so used to seeing like colorful island houses. This is, it's really nice though.
Yeah, it feels different for sure. I can't tell you how long we've been waiting for like a nice meal, wine and all that.
This is amazing.
We're ready for it.
All right, well, cheers, guys. To a good crossing, and here we go. on dry land. I had always said when we got back here I'm going to shave the beard off, so we're going to do that now. Probably one of the most fun things about actually growing a beard is being able to actually cut designs in it when you're done with it. So here goes nothing. All right, you ready? Let's go for some chops. What do you think? Is that a good look? Nah. Ooh, that's a little better. I don't know, what do you think? Just clean it up under here a little bit. Ooh, I don't like that. My chin's gone. I don't know if I like the mustache. Oh yeah, I'll get rid of that. Alright, it's starting to look good now, but let's clean it up. What do you think? Man, that's weird. I haven't seen myself without a beard in like a year and a half. I don't know. What do you think? Nah, I think I'll just keep the beard. Well, obviously a little bit of fun with editing there. If you know who did that one originally, it was Casey Neistat. He probably got it from somebody else, whoever. But yeah, whatever. It's a fun time. But man, it feels weird having wind on my face. But Taylor has never seen me without a beard. So I'm gonna head back to the boat and get her reaction. All right, come on, Taylor.
No. Oh my gosh. Who are you? You actually look so different. This is weird. Oh my god. I haven't seen his face in 8 months.
You haven't seen my face ever.
Well, ever. There's no beard there. Wow. You look good.
Thank you.
Very nice. Very fresh.
Thank you.
It's time for them to go. I'm sad. Represent.
All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for coming to help us get here.
Yeah.
It was a nice sail.
It was a nice sail.
It was so fun.
All right, we'll walk you to the dock there or whatever, but well, thank you, buddy.
Yeah, man.
All right.
Wow.
I
He's a
appreciate
changed
it.
man.
Yeah, I know, no beard, right? I guess you've never seen me without a beard either. There you go.
It's been so great to have her on board, and you as well, David. You guys were really awesome crew, and you made the entire journey so much fun.
All right, Sid, thanks for coming.
Thanks, Bobby.
Enjoyable having you on here. You too, David, man.
Fun.
Dude,
All right.
it's been real.
We'll link to
Do it
both you
again.
guys' Instagram and everything. It should be popping up, so keep track of. And did that, and you made it an easy trip.
We
It
made
was.
it.
It was a lot of fun. Cool.
Have
Looking
safe
forward to
drives
the next.
home. I've made a great new friend.
I know.
And I've been so thankful to have her on board. Otherwise, I would have been stuck with the two boys.
See each other in Canada.
Yeah, heck yeah. David!
Thanks
I
so
love
much.
you too.
Aw,
It's so
you
awesome
too.
having you aboard. You've been so much fun.
Well, we will make sure we do it again
Yes.
on our boat.
Yeah, there you go.
Exactly. On the high list.
Yep.
Let's do it.
Let's do it, man.
Woo!